Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start from our navigation area. Now, background color, that one, and grid area now. So that value is representing that value. And border radius, let's say 5 pixels. Let's assign some padding, top 5 pixels, and let's give a 80 pixel and save it. As you see guys, our header area show up itself. Let's assign our main area, main background color, that one, and grid area, main is representing that one, as you see guys. Main border radius 5 pixel and padding up 5 pixel, and let's save it. You see guys, our banner area also ready. Let's assign CSS to our news area. Background color red, grid area news, border radius 5 pixel and padding up 5 pixel, and save. You see guys, our news area also ready. Let's assign our CSS to sidebar. I need to use hashtag because we are assigning CSS to ID, sidebar. We are assigning CSS to ID. You see guys, ID. When we want to assign CSS to ID, we should use the hashtag background color, let's say that color, and grid area sidebar, and border radius 5 pixels and padding top 5 pixels, and let's save it. You see guys, our left side area is also ready. Let's assign CSS to content area, content 1. I put hashtag because I am assigning CSS to ID. Background color, let's say dark green, and grid area content 1 and border radius 5 pixel and padding top 5 pixels, and let's save it. You see, our content area also ready. Let me copy that one and content 2, content 3, content 2, content 3. Let's change the colors. Let's say golden road, and let's say that one, and save it. You see guys, we assigned our CSS all section except footer. Let's assign footer as well. Footer, background color gray, and grid area footer, border radius 5 pixel, and let's give height for that one 30 pixel and save it. You see guys, all sections are ready. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.